Hi, we're the Data Diggers, and we provide a personalized data market. I'm Madhu Nalapu.
I'm Samina Ali.
I'm Sushain Nandalike.
We're incredibly grateful to have this opportunity to present our idea to the iStart Valley Global Final Stage, and we'd like to thank you, everyone at iStart Valley, for making this journey possible.
This startup idea took many talented people to formulate. Each of our team members have many strengths that contributed to the success of this project. I'm Samina Ali, the founder and CEO. I was able to contribute my leadership and business planning skills, and I am proactive and punctual.
I'm Sushain Nandalike, the Chief Technical Officer. I was able to contribute my technical skills of programming and my previous experience with machine learning.
I'm Madhu Nalapu, the Chief Operations Officer, and I was able to contribute my team management skills as well as my public speaking skills to the design of the pitch as well as the team.
Amish Gupta brings his financial expertise and risk management to the table. Prabhakar Singh contributes to our well-maintained networks and is excellent at branding and web design.
Lastly, our client, whose guidelines will help us shape a good data set, is a key member of our team.
When we first began our journey with the iStart internship program, we had an exciting vision in mind: creating an open marketplace for AI data, a platform where businesses could easily purchase data from creators, empowering them to make more informed decisions and harness the power of AI to create new opportunities for growth in the business world. Since then, we have grown our idea to include more services and opened up our catering to both big and small businesses.
However, as we delved deeper into the realities of the market, we realized something crucial. Our target audience, businesses, had very specific and specialized data needs, which an open marketplace could not easily fulfill. In addition, we discovered that larger companies like AWS Marketplace had already established their dominance in this space, operating at a much larger scale.
We pivoted from an open marketplace to curating creator data for businesses. The breakthrough came when David Blackstone, CEO of Orchestra Labs, noted in our interview with him that businesses love an all-inclusive experience, and if they're already having trouble finding data, they might appreciate having the whole process done for them. This led to us shifting from just data aggregation to building full AI models for businesses. A fellow founder, a semifinals judge, later affirmed our impact, saying how much easier her startup's AI training would have been with our company's help, showcasing a realistic need for our service in the industry.
Many businesses use generic AI's APIs, for example chatbots or recommendation systems, but need customization with specialized data. However, web crawlers restrict 25% of top source data and 45% of datasets like C4 due to terms of service. Without tech expertise, training models becomes tedious, creating demand for agencies that simplify this process.
Our solution is an agency that forages specialized data. We source niche, tailored data from creators and networks. We provide customized data solutions based on each client's specific needs, and we fine-tune AI models using established APIs from companies like Google and Amazon, adapting them for these companies. We create flexible, remote freelance jobs for people worldwide, enabling global participation in the AI industry.
Unlike other data marketplaces and retailers in the market, we offer not only custom, high quality data, but also data that is obtained through legal means and globally relevant.
Our TAM SAM and our market size. So our TAM was $67 million. Our total SAM was 60, our TAM was $67 million. Our total SAM was $16 million. And we found our SOM to be $300,000. The use cases of AI are something that is continuing to go rapidly. Most, if not all, the startups here today have some innovative use case for AI. And with the industry growing at a rate of 30%, data will always be necessary to support these advances, making our business venture both sustainable and scalable in a short time.
Our business model consists of two revenue streams. Our first revenue stream is dataset creation, which is priced using a commission model. At the first stage, we meet and collaborate with clients, making sure we know what requirements they have for their data. At stage 2, we search for creators and forage data. In stage 3, we tailor the data and reformat it into CSV files. Upon delivering in stage 4, we actively collect feedback and use this as a marketing opportunity to network with more businesses. Our second revenue stream is model training. Stage 1 is connecting with the client and understanding the parameters of the project. Stage 2 is when we force data sets to train models. Stage 3 is when we either fine-tune a foundational model from OpenAI's API or prompt engineer a model. Stage 4 is when testing occurs, and stage 5 is the delivery and feedback stage.
This is the process of how the business reaches out to us. They go on our website, put in the name and information, and then send it to us. We reach back out to them in around 2 days or less and get more information for their needs. And then after that, we have an example for what the data set we could give them would look like. We used a Nemotron 8B for our prototyping and then curl requests to get the model's response. After formatting the response, this is about what it looks like. Here's the code we used. We wrapped the user's prompt in our custom prompt that we created after lots of testing. This allows us to control the response the model gives to match the guidelines we want the users to interact with.
We broke down our expenses into incubation phase costs, annual costs, and monthly costs. The variable costs that would change year to year would be the data acquisition from creators and the web scraping costs. This allows us to expand services with scalability as our customer base grows. Our cash flow stays positive, but requires a $100K VC investment in year one. Revenue and profit show steady growth, while initial gross profit is modest. Margins increase with scale, ensuring sustained profitability.
The semifinals judges' questions prompted us to prioritize 3 key data considerations: storage, retention, and security. We'll use scalable cloud solutions to align costs with usage, ensuring affordability early on. Critically, we'll select a provider that preserves all data indefinitely, as judges emphasized its importance. For security, we're implementing encryption, activity monitoring, and firewalls.
Many businesses rely on generic APIs for tools like chatbots and recommendation systems, but need more tailored solutions. To address this, we're partnering with a local library to develop a custom book recommender using OpenAI's API. By implementing Retrieval Augmented Generation RAG, our model personalizes recommendations based on user history of checked out books.
Wait, that is your 7 minutes? Okay, you're good. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I had something else to add, but yeah.
Go
So in the future, we plan to gain experience through community projects and pitch to local investors. Recognizing AI as the new industrial revolution, as vital as Wi-Fi, we aim to support both current advancements and the broader global AI transformation. Thank you so much for your time.